Hi, hello. Small unboxing and installation in Schuberth M1 intercom from Schuberth, produced by Sena, model SC1M. Let's open that. Okay, so we have some manual, quick start, some velcros and battery. Let's leave it later on. The device itself, nice. And some accessories. So remote control with holder, charging cable. Fine. The module itself, it's very small, smaller than the previous from Cardo, and yeah, some charging synchronization, upgrade software, firmware software, connector. And installation is pretty simple. You just take the plug from the helmet and you put it like that. So it's done. Okay, what we have here, it's remote control. That's nice rubber buttons. And you have some velcros to that, so you can attach it. And they're giving extra battery. How nice from them. And the velcros, so you can stick it to your tank or whatever. But I like this one. It's like a clipper. Yeah, it's rubbered. So all this rubber, so just slice it here. And it works. Well, need to work around a little bit. Yeah, but you can slice it, I think. You can put it inside. Yep. So that's it in Schuberth SC1. What is inside? Thanks.